Hi everybody, this is Nick, and I am not going to give you a data design tutorial tip today. Instead, we're going to talk about survey design and just one really quick tip that will make your survey questions more valid and reliable. And when we talk about validity, we refer to the fact that the question that we're asking is actually measuring what we think it's measuring. And when we refer to reliability, we are measuring, or we're thinking about the consistency at which our respondents are able to take the survey and making it easier for them to understand the question and fill out the question more reliably. So here I am starting to make sort of a visual survey guidebook for my organization, and I want to make it more widely available to everyone once it's finished. It's going to be really geared towards lay people. It's not going to make you a PhD in survey construction or research or evaluation, but it will help you make your feedback forms and your surveys just a little bit better. Now, one of the things that I see all the time in my work is that our software is guiding the design process in terms of survey questions. So one free app that we use all the time is Microsoft Forms. I completely recommend it. It's so easy. There's limited options, and it makes it really easy to design quick surveys and feedback forms. But their rating question type, they have a one question type called rating. And it gives you, a star scale rating, a smiley rating, lots of different icons and numbers and things like that. Most of the time, you actually don't need that question. Even if you're asking people to rate something on a scale of whatever you have, go ahead and just use the question that they call choice. It's a multiple choice question. And so over here on the slide, you see this is an example of a question that is not reliable or valid. It's neither valid nor reliable. It is a question we are asking for our survey design lunch and learn workshop. How valuable did you think this workshop was for your work? And then we have a scale of stars, 1 to 5 scale of stars. I mean, there's no context here. I don't know what 1 star means, and I don't know what 5 star means. And obviously I kind of do, but we want our surveys to be specific, and we want our surveys to be easy for whoever is filling them out to fill them out. So this is not a valid and reliable way to ask this question. Instead, let's go down here to the valid and reliable option. How valuable was the survey design lunch and learn to your work? And then we still have this 5-point scale, but we have labels attached to each of the options. When you add labels to each of the options, you make your question more reliable because it helps people respond to the question. You also see a lot of rating scales like just 1 to 5, rate how valuable it was. There's no context. There's not even end labels. Sometimes you might want to say 1 equals not valuable, 5 equals extremely valuable. That would make things a little bit more reliable, but we really like to fully ground our scale response questions or our rating questions, and fully grounding means we label every single option on the scale. So I hope this was a little tip that was not something that I typically post, but I wanted to post it because I'm working on it right now and I really like this guide. So eventually, once I finish the guide, I'm going to put the link below, and I hope you will use it in your work. If you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell next to it so you'll get notifications every time I post a new video in data design, PowerPoint, Excel, and Word, and maybe even these random survey design tips along the way. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.